Hello, sweet friend, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and I am very grateful you decided to stop by my humble home for some cleaning and Christmas 2023 decoration. Most of the items that I will be decorating today are from the thrift stores, from yard sales, from the Dollar Tree, and the tree that you are going to see me place to my left, it's going to be from after Christmas shopping from last year, and the table runner is brand new from my trip this year from Guatemala. Last year, I tried to pack each area of my home in one of these tote plastic containers. This year, I'm not sure if I'm going to use that strategy because while I'm taking things out, I am also trying to declutter. And after I finish decorating the entire home, whatever I notice that I did not use, I am going to be donated to my local thrift store. So tell me, how do you store your Christmas items and how do you declutter them? Do you declutter them at all or do you just collect them for years and years? I am also using Dollar Tree hooks to hang these garlands, and can I just tell you, I went to 3 Dollar Trees and it seems like everyone is already decorating because they were almost gone in every single store. So when I found them, I stocked up. I bought about 20 packs because I know I'm going to be using them not only in my home but also in my classroom.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
That box that you see behind the Christmas tree is the router for our internet. And what I'm trying to do is with this sign from the Dollar Tree and the snowman, I am trying to hide it a little bit. I think it worked perfectly. What do you think?
Every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say
dusting a little bit so I can start setting the table.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
I have been collecting Christmas items for a very long time. I like Hallmark movies, the Hallmark vibe. I wanna feel Christmas with all its colors. Christmas could be a very depressing time for many. Many people long to have their loved ones home and they can't because either they have gone to the next life or they're far away. So I am trying to make my home as colorful and vibrant as possible. I do truly enjoy going to other content creators' home virtually because they have this delicate wave to decorate their home. But if you are here with me, just know that in this home, you are going to see a lot of colors. The way I like to also decorate is that each room has its own color that pops out. For example, my bedroom, it's all pink, and this section of the home, it's mainly blue colors. So tell me, how do you like to decorate, or what kind of videos you like to see for Christmas decorations? The table looks nice, but I'm not convinced. I feel like I need to ground the centerpiece with something, either another one like this, but then I remember that I got this from Guatemala. So I am going to give it a try and lay it down and see how it looks. But I feel I need to ground this. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please take a moment and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video with a friend. It helps my channel out tremendously, and I truly appreciate it. Friend, from the bottom of my heart, I want you to remember that you are a true MVP, wherever you are found. You have been fearfully and wonderfully created, and within you resides the power to do great things. You have a purpose on this earth. We need you. I need you. Please come and visit my home again. Until next time, stay safe. Love always. See you in my next video. Bye, friend.